In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo watermark in Premiere Rush. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to personalize their videos or protect their work. To start, you'll need to have your logo ready. Ideally, it should be a PNG file with a transparent background. This ensures that the logo doesn't block or cover any part of your video with unwanted background. First, open Premiere Rush and import your video file. Once you've done that, place your video onto the timeline. This is your primary canvas where all the editing magic happens. With your video in place, the next step is to bring in your logo file. Import your logo just as you did with your main video. Once imported, you need to drag this logo file above your main video track onto a higher track. Doing this ensures that your logo will appear on top of your video. Next, select the logo clip on the timeline. You'll need to make some adjustments to ensure it fits well with your video. Look at the preview monitor and begin by resizing the logo. Scale it down so it's appropriately small. Usually, you'll want it to sit unobtrusively in a corner of your video. Common placements are the bottom right or top left corners. These positions keep your logo visible but not distracting, leaving focal points of the video clear to your audience. Once it's been resized and repositioned, consider adjusting the opacity of the logo. This step is optional but often enhances the effect by making the logo look more like a subtle watermark. A less opaque logo blends in better and doesn't distract viewers from the main content, but it still serves its purpose of identification or protection. After positioning your logo correctly, check the timeline again. Extend the duration of your logo clip by dragging its end so it mirrors the entire length of your video. This ensures that your logo is visible throughout the whole video, maintaining consistent branding or ownership marking from start to finish. Now it's time to preview your video. Play it through to make sure the logo appears consistently and doesn't obstruct any important visuals. Check how it looks over different scenes to confirm it maintains the desired effect across various lighting and backgrounds. Once you're satisfied with how the logo looks and functions in your video, you're ready for the final step: exporting your project. Exporting finalizes all your edits and produces a video file ready for sharing. And there you have it, your personalized video with a professional-looking logo watermark ready to share with the world or keep safely identified.